Hello everyone. Well, today I received a package from Thumper. And I don't know what it is. It doesn't feel like a lock. So let's check it out. I don't think I need that cutter. Okay, another little bag. Oh, I remember this. I told Thumper I like that belt buckle. It was in one of his giveaways and he says, "It's yours." He sent it to me. I like it because I'm also a locksmith. So anyway, yeah, there's a guy over here, a girl over here, and they're in the shop. It's pretty cool. Thank you so much, Thumper, for remembering that and sending this to me. And I am getting some challenge locks together for you. So get ready. Thank you all for tuning in. Come back and see me soon. Bye-bye.